Good morning students. In this video we are going to start with chapter number 4, Practical Geometry exercise 4.1. This is all about the construction of quadrilaterals. In this video we will discuss how to construct a quadrilateral when one diagonal and four sides are given. Children, as you know, in a quadrilateral there are four sides, four angles and two diagonals. It means total 10 parameters are there in a quadrilateral, and for the construction of a quadrilateral we always need at least 5 parameters, either all the sides and one diagonal, all the side angle, like this. Any 5 parameters can be there and we will construct the given quadrilateral. The very first kind we are going to discuss is when one diagonal and four sides are given. Here we are having a quadrilateral. The first question is construct the following quadrilaterals. First part is quadrilateral ABCD, in which the dimensions are given as AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Whenever one diagonal and four sides are given, always firstly we will draw the diagonal and after that we will draw the sides. Now I will here draw the rough diagram for this quadrilateral, and after that we will construct this. Here firstly I will draw a line segment. I am just drawing here the rough sketch, and this quadrilateral will looks like this. If I name this quadrilateral A, B, C, D, you can see here AC is the diagonal. AC is the diagonal which we have to draw first. After that, this diagonal is dividing this quadrilateral into two triangles. So we can construct the upper triangle, then after that we will construct the lower triangle, and after all we will get the quadrilateral. Now here I will write down the dimensions as given in the questions. AC is 7 centimeter, AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter and AC 7 centimeter already written, and CD is 4 centimeter. Now this rough diagram will help us to construct the diagram. From this we will see the dimensions to construct the quadrilateral. Now firstly we will draw the diagonal. As we know, in this type of question firstly we will always draw the diagonal. As the diagonal is AC, one thing more I want to explain you how to find out whether the given parameters are sides or diagonals. As we know that sides are the consecutive vertices and diagonals are the non-consecutive vertices. So here A and C are the non-consecutive vertices and B and D are the non-consecutive vertices. So AC and BD will be the diagonal. But here AC is given, so I will firstly draw AC. This is 7 centimeter. I will draw a line segment here equals to 7 centimeter. So also name it AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Secondly, we have to write down the steps of construction as well. As we will construct the quadrilateral side by side, we will write down the steps of construction. Here I will write down the steps of construction. Steps of construction. As firstly we have drawn a line segment, so the first step will be draw a line segment AC is equal to 7 centimeter. This is the first step of construction. Now secondly, we have to draw the upper triangle. So here I will mark the arcs using compass, and as we know here AB is 4.5 centimeter and BC is 5.5 centimeter. So firstly I will open the compass equals to 4.5 centimeter. Now I will measure from this 4. This is 4.5. So I will open my compass equals to 4.5. You have to mark the arcs using compass only, otherwise marks will be deducted. So firstly draw the arc equals to 4.5. I have marked the arc, and side by side I will write down the step of construction, that is from A mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Now secondly I have to mark the arc of 5.5 centimeter from C. Now I will open my compass equals to 5.5 centimeter. Now see from here. This is 5.5 and mark the arc. Now this arc cut the previous arc at point B. So this is point B, and the third step of construction is from C mark an arc of 5.5 centimeter intersecting the previous arc, intersecting the previous arc at B. Now we will join B to A and C. Now join B to A as well as to C using the ruler. Now upper triangle is formed. So side by side I will write down the step of construction. Now fourth step of construction is join B to A and C. This is our fourth step of construction. Now the upper triangle is formed. Now we will mark the arcs for the lower triangle. That is from A we will mark an arc of 6 centimeter. Now again open your compass equals to 6 centimeter. Now see, this is equals to 6 centimeter. Mark the arc from A to form the lower triangle. Now open your mark compass equals to 4 centimeter, as CD is 4 centimeter. So we will mark an arc of 4 centimeter from point C. Now this is point C. This is the arc which intersect the previous arc at D. Now write down the steps of construction. Firstly we have marked the arc from A equal to 6 centimeter. So here from A mark an arc of 6 centimeter. Then from C mark an arc of 4 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at D. Now join D to A and C. Now the next step is to join D to A and C. So this is the required quadrilateral. Now join D to A and C. So A, B, C, D is required quadrilateral. In this way, we will construct the quadrilaterals when one diagonal and 4 sides are given. Second part is construct a quadrilateral jump in which the dimensions are JU is equal to 3.5 centimeter, UM is equal to 4 centimeter, MP is equal to 5 centimeter, PJ is equal to 4.5 centimeter, PU is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now firstly I will see which is the diagonal. Now from here we can find out the diagonals. In this JM and UP will be the diagonal, that is PU. This is the PU diagonal. So firstly we will draw the rough sketch as we did in the previous question. This is PU and like this quadrilateral will be constructed. Jump. Now as PU is 6.5 centimeter, then PJ is 4.5 centimeter and then JU is 3.5 centimeter, UM is 4 centimeter and PM is 5 centimeter. Now we got the rough sketch how to construct. From this figure we will construct this quadrilateral. Firstly we will draw this diagonal. PU is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now draw the diagonal, that is equal to 6.5. So firstly name it PU, that is 6.5 centimeter. Children, side by side we will write down the steps of construction. So the steps of constructions will be steps of construction. First step is draw a line segment. PU is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now as it is clear from this rough sketch, we will mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter from P. Now from P we will mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. Now I have to open the compass 3.5 centimeter, as from U we are to mark the arc 3.5 centimeter. So from here I will mark the arc 3.5 centimeter. As children, it doesn't intersect this, I will extend this arc again. Yes. Now these arcs intersect each other. and side by side we will write down the step of construction. Firstly, I have marked the arc of 4.5 centimeter from P. So write down from P, mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Then from U mark an arc of 3.5 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at J. So this is the point J. Now I will join P to J and also J to U. So the upper triangle is formed and I will write the step of construction. Fourth step of construction is join J to P and U. Now for the next step, we will mark the arc from P equal to 5 centimeter and from U equal to 4 centimeter. Now open the compass. This is, we are to open it equals to 5 centimeter. So five centimeter. So from P we will mark the arc equal to 5 centimeter and then from U we are to mark the arc equal to 4 centimeter. So this is from U mark the arc equal to 4 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at M. Now write down the steps of construction. So fifth step of construction is from P mark an arc of 5 centimeter. Sixth step of construction is from U mark an arc of 4 centimeter intersecting previous arc at M. Now join M to P and J. Join M to P and J and also write the step of construction. Seventh step of construction is join M to P and U. And the last step of construction is jump is the required quadrilateral. So this is the required construction. Also we will write down the dimensions of all. This is 4.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. You have to always label the diagram. So students, this is all about question number 1 and 2 of exercise 4.1. Thank you.